How to convert gallons to milliliters in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert gallons to milliliters in Excel. UK and USA calculates gallon differently, so I'm going to show you two different calculations, but we are going to use the single formula which is convert. Okay, I'm going to write here equal to and then convert. And here is our convert function, and we want to convert this number from unit will be gallon, and that should be imperial gallon that is used in UK. So if I scroll down, and here you can find UK gallon. Okay, if I double click here, this unit is in imperial gallon and I need to convert them to milliliters. So I'm going to write here within double quotation small ml, okay, and close parenthesis and press enter. So 1 imperial gallon equal to 4546.09 milliliters. Okay, if I double click here, we have successfully converted these imperial gallons into milliliters here. And now what about the US gallon? I'm going to write here equal to convert. Double click here, this is the number we want to convert. Our from unit will be gallon. I'm going to scroll down and here we have gallon. I'm going to double click here, add comma, for milliliter within double quotation I'm going to write ml, and if I close parentheses and press enter, and we get our milliliters. 1 gallon equal to 3785.412 milliliters based on US gallon system. Okay, so this is how you can convert gallon to milliliters in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.